Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the Phuket Sandbox. We're specifically discussing it in the context of the B visa or business visa for Thailand. And I've had there seems to be some misconceptions out there in the ether, if you will. There's been folks that have sent me correspondence saying, is it possible for me to use the Phuket Sandbox? I'm not necessarily a tourist. I'm coming in, I have a business visa, I have a work permit, and I'd rather come through for a 2-week interlude in Phuket rather than going through alternative state quarantine up in Bangkok, i.e. basically spending 2 weeks in a hotel room the entire time because they don't really want to go through that. And they prefer to be on Phuket, which allows folks to quarantine on the island. It allows people to kind of roam around a little bit as opposed to just being stuck in one room for 2 weeks. And a question that's been posed by some people is, hey, I thought it was for tourists, the Phuket Sandbox. Can I use it if I have a business visa? And point of fact, yeah, you can. It's non-immigrant visa holders, including those who have a business visa and possibly a work permit, can use the Phuket Sandbox. It's not necessarily for tourists only. I can understand why people think that. It's kind of advertised with tourists in mind. It's kind of aimed at tourists. But yes, folks who are using a business visa can travel into Thailand, use the Phuket Sandbox to maintain their first 2 weeks in quarantine status before presumptively leaving the Phuket Sandbox and going to Greater Thailand.